Some may think this tie-dye is a little too bright. I'm sold. Hey, I'm Kelly. This is Local in Seattle. I'm super excited for today's video because I might finally get a tie-dye outfit, okay? I don't know if you've seen this, but everyone I know is rocking awesome tie-dye this quarantine, and I want to be a part of that, but I do not think I could do it alone. So I got an expert, Brittany, who has an awesome Instagram account, it's Brits Fits, with all of these amazing tie-dye pieces. She even lets you nominate a nurse or someone in the healthcare profession, and they get their own digs. So we're gonna social distance outside on a deck, and here's some tips. Oh my gosh, little baby ones. Were you sitting in quarantine like everyone else trying to find like a hobby? Have you always loved tie-dyeing? Walk me through it.
I actually had not done it forever, probably since junior high. I was shopping online and I found a tie-dye sweatsuit I was obsessed with, but it was like $300. And I was like, I've got to be able to recreate that.
And so also what I'm loving that you're doing is how people can nominate nurses.
The nurses are out there on the front lines and they're day in, day out, like doing what they do to protect the rest of us and caring for others. And the tie-dye was just exciting people and putting smiles on their faces. So I figured that it would be fun to, like, for every 19 that I had sold, to give one away to a nurse. So we're using like a traditional tie-dye that you just mix powder and water with, and it works on cotton fabrics. So when I had ordered the first sweatsuit I had stumbled on Rit's site, and they had two different types and I had no idea why. And when you're using something that is 50% or less cotton that has like a synthetic blend in it, so a polyester or something, the fabric doesn't take like a traditional cotton. In order for the fabric to take it, it has to be boiling on the stovetop. Scrunch, scrunch. You're wanting to definitely try and like not have huge gaps of fabric. Like you wouldn't want to just like go on top of that. You want to just scrunch. Literally just kind of grip it and start getting rubber bands wherever you can. As long as it's like pretty secure. It's okay if stuff's hanging out, but sometimes I'll still just like tuck it in where I can. So for spiral, if you want it to be like a pretty prominent spiral on the front, you would turn it over because the fabric is going to be a lot more cinched that way. So you literally just take the middle and you're spinning. So those are kind of the two main techniques. That
Spiral and blotchy.
Yeah, and then the rainbow one that I was talking about, literally just grabbing the fabric from the top and rubber banding it all the way down. The three options. And you can,
everywhere?
If you're just doing one color, yeah, you'll squirt the whole thing. And that was like a super, I thought for sure the first time I did it, when I didn't know what I was doing, I was like trying to leave white space because I thought it'll just turn all one color. But the way it's folded, you want to get the whole thing. There will still be white. Keep going, you got it.
Okay.
Like, cover it.
Okay, so I have all the things that Brittany helped me tie-dye. Really, I only did this one. Well, no, I did 2 out of the 3 myself. So now she told me I need to rinse it off with warm water, and then you put it in the laundry. A lot of dye. Look at all that dye. Sporting all of the different styles. We have that blotchy pattern. We have the spiral pattern that's kind of Seahawks colors, and then all of the rainbow, which is now my personal favorite. Thank you so much to Brittany for showing me the tie-dye ways, the things to do and not to do. 3 really awesome shirts that were made super fast with her. Definitely already sporting the most colorful one. These are so fun. I popped them in the laundry, like she said, on warm, and now they're all ready to go. So I can't wait to get more of her creations. You can find all of her stuff on It's Brit's Fits. And more importantly, if you have a nurse or someone in the healthcare industry that you really want to nominate so they can get a treat sent to them. So I hope you learned something, and as always, come up with a new hobby or whatever you want to do in quarantine that makes you smile and brings maybe a smile to someone else's face. So I'll see you next time. Bye.